Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you this amazing recipe for cheesecake with raspberry sauce. I will start with the ingredients for the base. I have here 75 grams of crackers and 43 grams of butter. I'm gonna mince the crackers with the food processor and pour butter, melted butter over. My crackers have cinnamon in the mixture, so they are really tasteful. But you can use the ones that you prefer. For the filling, 300 grams of cream cheese, 100 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, vanilla paste 1 teaspoon, 60 milliliters of 1/4 of a cup of cream. Put the cream cheese in a bowl. I love this one from Lidl. It's really nice. And I will mix it with a whisk and gradually add the rest of the ingredients. But the first one is sugar. So add sugar gradually and mix it in. In the meantime, have your oven preheated. Add now eggs one at a time and mix really good after each of them. Add the second one and mix after it. The cream, vanilla paste, and one more mix. I press the biscuits, crackers mixture in the tin. I will cover the tin with aluminum foil just because that butter that is in the mixture might melt in the oven and we might start a fire, so we don't want that. We prevent it this way. Pour the cream cheese mixture in and bake it in the oven at 170 Celsius or 338 Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes. And to prevent the cracking on top of the cheesecake, let it cool down for 15 more minutes in the oven with the fire off. Looks amazing. Let it cool down completely. And for the raspberry sauce, I need raspberries. I'm using frozen ones, so about 100 grams and 50 grams of sugar. I'm gonna mix the fruits with sugar and cook them on the stove for about 5 to 10 minutes until the sugar will dissolve. I let the cheesecake to cool down and I pour the sauce over. In case your cheesecake cracks a bit on top, don't worry, let it cool down, and with a spoon that is dipped in hot water you can level again the cheesecake. The taste is the same, amazing, and don't let anything stop you bake this awesome dessert. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you next time with another recipe. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.